Hello everyone, good day. This is a proud farmer once again. I just want to show you my result after 6 weeks. Today make it 6 weeks of keeping our broiler. We have Arbor. So as you can see, the weight at 6 weeks is 2.85. So the weight has been like so marvelous. Like then look at the feed we use. I actually use feed from animal care. So I started with the crumbles. So we started with the crumbles for the first 21 days. Then we now finish them up with the super finisher. So this is a new feed from animal care which you are going to like very much, and it is very effective. So at least you can see the result here. So this is no joke, 2.85 for 6 weeks, and this is not cob. This is not corn. This is Arbor. This is Arbor. All right, so this is just me showing you my result after 6 weeks. Take care. Have a nice day. This is Farmer Adesina Olufonde Adesina, a proud farmer. Take care. And for your feed, you can let me know. If you want to source your feed from animal care, you can let me know. I can also help you with that. Olufonde Adesina once again.